Okay. Dr. Wallach,
yes, ma'am.
First of all, I'd like to say that I take your Mighty 90 and your Cell Shield and your Sweeties, but I have developed acid reflux, and I have this pain in my diaphragm that goes from the front to the back, and I was wondering if you have a product that I could take to help that.
Okay, well, first of all, I don't think you have acid reflux. I think you have lack of acid reflux. Okay? Mm-hmm. Lack of acid reflux. So when you have reflux, invariably you have bugs growing in your stomach, things like yeast and bacteria which ferment stuff. And so when you take in carbohydrates and sugars and fiber and things like that, they will ferment these things and cause gas, which can cause you to burp up stomach contents, which can taste like vinegar, which you would interpret as being acid, but it's not acid enough. Vinegar tends to be a pH of 4, 5, or 6. Your stomach environment must be a pH of 2 or less. I prefer 1, as battery acid as you can get in there, because you cannot absorb minerals, you cannot absorb B12, you cannot digest proteins without a stomach environment of battery acid way down there, so it keeps it sterile as well as help all the processes necessary to absorb these nutrients. You cannot have a sterile stomach when your pH gets above 4, because everything grows in vinegar as well, right? So it's lack of acid reflux, not acid reflux. Now, you must salt your food because salt is the raw material for your body to make stomach acid. You must salt your food. You cannot make stomach acid without salt. Next, instantly, for instant help, you can use our Ultimate Enzymes, which has stomach acid in it. I'd have you take, first of all, what do you weigh, Rebecca?
151.
151. Okay, how tall are you?
5'1".
All right. Yeah, so I'd like to see you lose 40 pounds. Okay, and we can do that easily. But I'd have you take one of the Ultimate Enzymes 2 to 5 minutes before each meal, a couple ounces of water. It'll help acidify the stomach as well as digest and help you absorb nutrients. And then, none of the bad stuff. No fried foods, no processed meats or nitrates and nitrites, no oils whatsoever, no margarine, mayonnaise, salad dressing, cooking oils. If you eat canned fish, they got to be packed in water, mustard, or tomato sauce, not oil. Do you have any skin problems?
Psoriasis on the scalp.
Okay. So if you have psoriasis, you have a gluten intolerance. You must also get on a gluten-free diet. No wheat, barley, rye, or oats. If anybody has psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, rosacea, you have a gluten intolerance. You must get off of gluten. No wheat, barley, rye, or oats. That's a lifetime deal. You can't just get better and go back to eating it because everything will come right back. And because of that, in addition, what I'd have you do is take 2 Healthy Start packs per month. That'll be 1 ounce of the Osteo FX Plus at breakfast and dinner, 2 scoops of the Beyond Tangerine Nutri-Crystals at breakfast and dinner, 3 of the EFA Pluses at breakfast and dinner. All that will be accomplished by the 2 Healthy Start packs per month. I'd also, because of the weight, I'd have you take the ASAP. I'd have you take 1 dropper full under your tongue, 30 minutes before each meal, so 1 bottle a month will work. You do have to take your supplements. I like you to take your supplements with it because as you're cutting back on calories, which will be easy to get on a portion control program so that you're getting down to 1,200 calories a day, 1,000, 1,200 calories a day, or even less, because you're not going to feel hungry with ASAP. And I want you to call me every 2 weeks. I want to know your weight. I want to know your blood pressure. I want to know how your digestive stuff is going. I want to know how your psoriasis is doing because the odds are you'll be a new woman pretty quickly.